here. Just got some things that have been delivered from Wish that I'm going to open with you today. I hope everybody's doing well. And how's your day going? Alrighty, this is the first parcel. I won't turn them over because they have got my address on the other side. Now these are pens from Wish. We have quite a number of places with these. 2, 4, 6. So we have your straightener, which is that one there, your single tip, which is that one. You have 3-placer, that one there, it looks like a 5, and I think that one there would be a 10. Now I have been told there sometimes are numbers on these, but I can't see any number on those ones. So 5 places, which is pretty good. And this is the pen. So it's quite pretty. Looks very similar to flags with the green background, and there's reds, blues, yellow. Now I haven't put the tips on the ends of these yet, so obviously they're still hollow. It feels quite good in the hand, and we'll see how that turns out. While we're here, I will put one tip in there, and of course they're going to have to be pushed down. That is a very, very tight fit. And probably put the 3-placer in that end, or even the straightener in there. But yeah, I'll have to put a bit of pressure on that to get it to go in. So that's one of the pens from Wish, roughly about $10, plus $4 or $5 delivery. So it's quite a nice resin pen. So that's number 1. The next one, I'll leave that one till last. The next one is this one here. Just get that one out. Now this has got the same amount of places. So again, a bigger straightener, a single placer, your 3-placer. This one also comes with, oh, the other one did as well, which is an angled placer. So that would go into your pen and you would diamond paint with it that way up. A 5-placer, and that one even looks bigger than the other one there. No, about the same size, so it's probably about a 10-placer. And this is the green. Now all these, as I said, did come from Wish, which I will link down the bottom. Very, very pretty greens and black through that. Quite sparkly. And that's their green, one of their green pens. Put that one there. This next one, so all up we've got those and those. Move those out of the way. Now this one came yesterday. Again, I won't take them out of the bag, but it has got 6 places in the bag, all similar to these ones here. and this is that pen, which I nearly dropped. So it's got the gold through it. Very shiny. Gold, reds and greens. So that's quite pretty. Actually, I quite like this one. It's got a lot of colours through it. Again, easy to handle. They're all about the same. The green one there's a little bit shorter, only a tad, a little bit thinner maybe. It has got the ripples on the pen there, whereas these two are just your straight pen. This one is thicker than this one here. So that's that one. Now we have another one. Again, 5 different shaped places in the packet. And this is the red one. So we've got red, blue and yellow through that one. Again, they're all about $10 on the Wish site. And then you have some delivery with that. So that is also another one. So we've got the 3 and a 4th one there. We also got ordered 2 more of the long boats with the flip lid there, and that clicks up. I don't know how long that would last being open and shut all the time, but it is a bigger boat. It does have deep sides, and there was 2 different sorts of blue they sent me. I think I asked just for 1 colour blue, but they've sent me the 2. They sit in neatly inside one another, and quite easily to shake those drills to get them to line up so you can multi-place. So they're the 2 trays. Pop them there. Now this pen, I was just interested in getting this just to show you all. It is plastic, but it's got like a wooden texture to it, 2 different colours there. This pulls off, and the nib on this one, or the tip on this one, is for square diamond painting. Now, I've never tried a pen that's specifically for square diamond painting. I've been told there is probably no difference using a round or a square to do squares. So I'll have a bash at this and see how we go with it. But it is, or they say it is, specifically for square drills. So that was something else we bought. And then that cap just fits over the top like that. I think this one was $4 or $5 plus delivery. So there's that one. And just one more thing. This is one of your grinder containers where you can pop your drills inside here. You then pop the lid back on, and as you see, there are sharp, pointy plastic pieces that sit up. Pop the lid on, and then you wind it back and forward to hopefully get your drills to come apart if they're stuck together. So that's something else that was bought on Wish. We'll see if that works in the next week or 2. And in one of my videos I will put the video up showing you how the drills work. That seems to have a magnet or something in it. It just suctions on. So, and it doesn't shake off. So maybe that's to make sure your drill's stay in there. But it has got a bit of a tight suction. So that's what we've got to show you today. Hope you enjoyed these. There are so many different pens, pen makers. You can get wooden pens, resin pens, short stubby pens, longer pens, fatter, more shaped, like the green pen there with the rivets. I think you'd call them rivets through it. So I think my favourite out of these would have to be this one. That is just so shiny, so pretty. So that's the group of pens we've got today. And I hope you enjoyed seeing these. As I've been getting them from Wish, I have been putting them up, so you'll have seen quite a few of my other pens that I got. I think I got some from Diamond Art and KC Designs in Australia, in Wangaratta. And just like the look at these of these on Wish, so we thought we'd try them out, see how we go. So that's my haul for today. 2 boats, 5 pens, 1 for square drills, and I call this like a grinder. So you can put your drills in there and stop them sticking to one another. You can also use this. I'd probably only use for the drills that are really badly stuck together to see if it works. Otherwise, I just cut off a piece of dry towel and put it in my container with the drills, give it a shake, and that most times will release the drills and get them to come apart. But yeah, I just thought I'd get those few things out today, show you, see what we've got. And as I said before, I hope you are all having a good day. I'd like to send a cheerio to Grace at GB Maltese. She's a lovely lady, and she's come back up on YouTube, so that's fantastic. Lovely to see her. Okay, well, that's me for now. As I said yesterday, tomorrow I will be unbagging or unboxing the 3rd part of Create, Love, Share for you all to have a look at. So enjoy your day, and we'll talk again soon. Sue Sparkle. Bye.